So, I'm going to give you about 10 seconds to get up and get out of bed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you're up and you're now ready to get after it, you can go ahead and shut this off. You won. You can proceed on to go get stronger and faster and better. But if you are still actually lying in bed, then I can't stop right now. You have to keep listening. I need to tell you about the mistake that you are making. I need to tell you what you will feel like later in the day. You will feel weak. You will feel groggy. You're going to feel like a loser. Like a person that fell short, that failed the first test of the day. All you had to do was get up, get out of bed. Instead, you stayed in that warm bed and squandered the opportunity to train and to get better. And that will be a downward spiral for your day. Undisciplined and weak. So let's go now. Get up and get after it.